In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to do what? How to create dripping text animation in Adobe After Effects, just like this. So now, let's jump in IE.
So this already I have background. So now click here on text tool. So now let me just add some of my text. Let me add some dripping. Yeah. Click here on select tool. So now let me increase, just turn off the caps lock. Okay. Let me increase. Just this, like this. You have to make sure your text is in the center of this frame. So now let me add some good color. Okay, yeah, this is good one. Okay, so now after this, click here on effect, then add some effect called CC plastic. Okay, so now come here on the surface pump. Now just let me add here some softness just to increase. Okay guys, look on my text. Okay, let me increase this 8. Okay guys, you have to balance this surface pump depend how your text is. So now search another second one called CC grass. So now drop it into your text. So now back here, let me just close this. Back here on the surface of CC grass, then let me increase this softness. Guys, as you see here on my text, there is some changes. Such another effect called bevel alpha. Drop again, then close this. So now increase this edge thickness. Okay, this is enough. Search again. Hey, CC smell. This is my drop. This smell is gonna make my drop. Okay, so now this effect has 2 points. Let me add 1 point here on this, then the second one I will put it down on the first one. Guys, as you know how they drop from up to down. It cannot drop from down to up. Okay. So now I'm going to add the keyframe here on ledge. You have to make sure it is in the beginning of your text. So now I'm going to add some 0 here. Then after, I will jump some frames to animate. Okay, this drop. So now I'm going to add some big number. Let me add. Okay, I have to pull. Already you see my drop is already get down. Okay, let me check. Wow. Okay, so now I'm going to duplicate this smell. Okay, so now I have to move these 2 points on other text. Let me add here on the P. Okay, let me move the second one. So let me pray. Okay guys, you see here the 2 drops, it is animated on the same time, but I don't want to be animated on the same time. So now I'm going to move some frames. Okay, I have to open this text here on effect on this CC smell tool. I'm going to move this keyframe. Okay, just like this. This one, this is 2. Okay, yep. So now let me add Let me add the third one. Let me add the third one on. Just you have to duplicate again the CC smell number 3. Okay. So now I'm going to move the animation, sorry, the keyframe for this CC smell 3. Okay, let me move just like this, because the drop will drop in the different times. Okay. Yep, guys, whatever you can add some many drops, whatever you want, depend on how your text is. It has many stuff or many what, yeah, just like this. Okay. The drop is animated, is animating the different times. Okay, let me check the rest point. Okay, yeah, this is good. So now, guys, let me close this stuff. Now, background effect, such effect called turbulent displacement. So now drag it here on your text. So now just choose here turbulent smoother. Now reduce this amount of this text, then hold Alt and then click here on evolution. It will bring this where you can type your time code. Type your code. Just let me add it at time was 50. Then press enter. So you see how my text is animating. Okay, just right click here. I'm going to create the new solid for the background. Here you can choose the color whatever you want. Okay, put it down here on my effect. Okay, so now search the effect called CC bubbles. Now drop here on all these solid you have been created already. This is how my bubbles is. So now I'm going to choose these feather outwards. Okay, this is how my bubble is animating. Yeah, guys, this is the cool background. So guys, I'm already done.
Guys, thanks for watching. Please, if you like my video, leave your thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, drop your comment down below. Let me know what you think. That is it. See you next video.